When we're cooking together.
Linda does most of the prep.
But I don't do the chopping. I like being at the stove.
And I'm running around like a sous chef with the pans and the pots and getting things ready.
He definitely likes to join in the kitchen.
We fill in each other's blind spots.
We don't get to see each other very often, and when we do get to see each other, it's
usually around cooking, yeah.
Food is such a great medium to bring people together.
Yeah. It works though, doesn't it?
Yeah,
I
and
mean,
we just chat through what's gone on in the day. It's a good time to be together, really.
For me, I want to kind of instill some sort of traditional aspect to cooking and food where it is about bringing the family together.
Those moments of just like catching up and just bringing ourselves fully up to speed on each other's lives. It happens over a frying pan. It happens over a chopping board.
What I love most about cooking with Bo is that we just have time, just me and him, to really share and learn and listen and laugh. It's the sharing, definitely.